Hi guys, back for another quick demold. I just got this mold in the mail. It's a dragon mold, so this is my first time using it. This is my first time demolding him. I have no idea what he looks like. Hopefully he turns out pretty good. I went with an apple green powder that I got at my local hobby store. I got it at Hobby Lobby, so great place to pick up stuff. They have molds and stuff like that too. I got this mold off of Amazon. So let's demold this guy and see what he looks like. Like I said, I've never used this mold, so no idea what he's going to turn out like. A little difficult to get him out here. This is a rough one. There we go. Need monster grip to get this guy out. Alright, there we go. We got him. Alright, so got one big air pocket right here, but you know, that's on his chin. Who cares? I mean, so let's flip him over and see what we got. Actually turned out pretty neat. He's definitely got scales on him. Feels like a little dragon. So I think what we'll do is see about you guys coming up with a name for him. So post your names in the comments and I will pick a winner for the name and we'll go from there. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep him as my little mascot. So I got a couple little flaws here and there, but you know, first time using this mold, like I said. So this will be my mascot. This will be my little buddy. So, like I said, we'll run a little contest so you can come up with a name for him. And then yeah, so I want to thank all my members. Please like, share, and follow. And I want to thank everybody who's bought me a coffee. If it wasn't for you guys, this stuff wouldn't be possible. So until the next one, have a good day.